Meghalaya Health Minister Dr. Amparin Lyngdoh has dismissed allegations of negligence against Nongpo Civil Hospital following the death of a fetus delivered in the hospital's toilet on Saturday evening. The minister clarified that the mother, who was 5 months pregnant, had experienced a spontaneous abortion, making it impossible to save the child. While a formal report is still pending, the health minister reaffirmed the government's commitment to improving healthcare services and addressing the situation transparently. Meanwhile, members of the Kannam State Youth Wing have sought clarification regarding the situation. They met with the woman and her husband, as well as the medical superintendent of the civil hospital, to discuss the matter.
We feel the loss for this family, and yes, I wish we could have saved this child, but at 5 months pregnant, it would have been very impossible to save the child. Yes, there is anger from the family of the lady. I also feel for you. I also know what you're going through, but to say that it was a case of negligence is wrong, because all the records of the doctors attending to this patient are in order.
Takpun itu di polisi mengalahkan banyak model polisi state government ada media ini kadang minta balik itu balik itu FRU kadang minta balik ke ante metal care kadang terlibat ini kira di sistem ini kong limbah punya dari semua itu baru buat limbah ini kira di sistem pada nanti semua limbah ini limbah nanti semua terlibat bahkan nyata jadi kita tahu semua ini antara mereka.
The State Planning Board